I finished soldering these. You can see that, hopefully. It's not a lot of solder on mine. Just enough to hold it down. But what I want to do now is I want to clip these off right against where the solder is. Okay, I want to get them clipped back. And collect all those. We don't want those ending up on the floor. See how far back I'm cutting them? Right to the solder. So cut all those off. Collect all the ends. And just put those back in your bag. Put those all back in your bag. So I'll finish cutting these up, then we'll get started on the next piece. Okay, so the next component we're going to put in is our speaker. Put it right in here. And flip it over. Push our wires over. We're going to solder that in place. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to get our 100 UF. That stands for microfarads, but it's got 100 UF on it, and it's polarized too, so it's got a long lead as well. So you'll see where it says C2. That's the 100 microfarad capacitor. We're going to bend it over, bend those wires over, and we're going to grab the smaller of the two little capacitors, and this one is I think a 1 microfarad. It's smaller. Same thing, positive goes in where it says positive. The long lead goes in there. Bend those leads. Now, since we're on a roll, we're going to put in the integrated circuit chip. And the integrated circuit chip, this is the brains of the operation. We have to get this correct. So you see this little cut mark on the end of it, it's like a little moon shape cut out of it. Well, that coincides with a little moon shape we've got here on our board. So we're going to line those two up. We're going to put our chip right in our board, and we got to be careful because sometimes it doesn't want to go in there, but I've got mine in. And then what I want to do on the back side of this is I just want to bend over the leads on the corners to hold it in place. And when you solder this, you need to be quick on each one of these. Integrated circuits don't like heat. So having too much heat on it for too long will kill this. So we want to be quick. Solder, 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 solder. Okay? So solder those pieces in, and then we'll finish up with our jumpers and resistors. Oh, and we have a transistor to put in as well. So we'll put all those pieces in next.